This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying physical connections and capabilities. This tells you the path forward. Check the monitor's input ports and resolution rating so you know whether you'll use HDMI or DisplayPort. Once done, inspect the source device for its output. PC laptops usually have HDMI or USB-C. Make sure you have the correct cable or adapter, and connect audio if the monitor lacks speakers. Use a 3.5 or external speakers. This step prevents hiccups later and establishes a reliable video chain. Next, you configure the PC so the monitor behaves like a TV. Plug in and power both devices, then open display settings to detect the monitor. Choose the native resolution and a sensible refresh rate like 60 Hz. If you want sound through the monitor, make sure the audio output is set to HDMI, otherwise route audio to speakers. Once you select Duplicate versus Extend, adjust scaling and position so menus and video fill the screen. These controls optimize picture, avoid cropping, and prepare for streaming. Finally, you add TV-like features and finalize setup. Plug a Chromecast, Roku, or Fire TV into HDMI, or install apps on the PC for Netflix, Plex, and Live TV. This turns the monitor into a functional television. Calibrate picture settings for movies versus games to reduce motion blur and improve color. Make sure sound routing and sleep settings won't interrupt playback. If you lose signal, check the input source, receipt cables, and update graphics drivers. That single troubleshooting step fixes most display and handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.